Sairam children, how are you all? Good. Now children, come to our chapter, new chapter in maths, chapter number 6, fun with give and take. So children, today we are going to start our new chapter. Before that children, I want to ask, we have already done chapter number 3, give and take. What does mean give and take? So children, yes, give means when we are adding, when we are adding some number to other, and take means when we are taking carry from other number for subtracting other number, so that is take. Okay, for example, give means, so children, for example 3, if we want this, so what is this? 3 plus 2 means we are adding, we are giving one number to other, and we want together there what we are getting, so that is your 5. So this is your give. Now for example take, like it is 32 and it is 15. So when we are taking carry from 3, that is take. Okay, we are taking carry from 3, 1 to 12. Okay, now 12 minus 5, that is 7. Understood? Now 2 minus 1, that is 1. So when we are taking this 1 for subtracting 5, that is your take. I hope it is clear to you. This we have done, give and take. But today we are going to start our new chapter that names fun with give and take. So children, now let's start with our chapter. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many runs does India need to win? So total runs India want to make, that is 236. Okay. They have made 120. When we are subtracting this, (236) and 123, that is 3, 1 and 1. When we are, so India needs 113 runs to win. Okay, India match. So we are going to subtract. So India, how many runs did India need? 113 runs to win from Sri Lanka, because they have made 235 runs and one more run they need. That's why 113 run. Okay, if they made 235, that is tie up. But when they made 1 or 2 run more than from other, this means that they have win the match. Okay children, now come to next page. Geeta had rupees 368 in her purse. She bought a book for 123. How much money is left in her purse? 368. What you will do? 368 total money she is having, and 123 she bought the book. So when we are going to subtract this, what we will get? 245. So now how many money did Geeta is having in her purse? That is 245 is remaining in her purse. So When she bought book from that also, this means now what money she left in her purse, that is 245 out of 368, because she bought book for rupees 123. So now she is having 245 in her purse. Okay, so your answer is 245. 8 minus 3, that is 5. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 3 minus 1, that is 4. So now she is having 245 rupees in her purse. Understood? Now come to next. Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabila bought 1 kg ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. So children, how much money Nabila mothers gave? That is 245. And out of that she brought 1 kg ghee, that is 127. 127 she bought ghee. So how much money she is having now? That is 15 minus 7, that is 8. We have taken 1. Here it is 3. 3 minus 2, that is 1. And 2 minus 1, it is 1. So children, now what will come? That is 118. Now she wants, but how much money she wants? Get from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper gave her 98 rupees. So now she is asking, kilogram is written as kg. Did the shopkeeper gave her right amount? No, shopkeeper gave her wrong amount, because 1 kg ghee is 127 rupees. So her money should be left, that is 118. Okay. And how much money he has given to her? He has given 98 rupees. So children, can you tell how much amount she less get from the shopkeeper? 20 rupees she get less from the shopkeeper. Okay, so we cannot take, because she has shopkeeper given wrong money, not right amount to Nabila's. He has to give 118 rupees, but he has given 98 rupees. So shopkeeper has not given right amount. Okay, so here what will come? That is 118. Understood? But she is getting 98, so that is not right amount. She is getting less 20 rupees. So come here children. Now you can see the solution. 118 we are getting. Okay, but she is getting, this is up to next page, but she is getting 20 rupees less because he is giving 98. Now you can see here. So 118 is our correct amount. 118 is our correct amount. So what we will write here? The shopkeeper had to give rupees 118 to Nabila. So our answer is 118. Understood? I hope it is clear to you, children. Okay, now come to next page. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? So children, let's see. Baby tortoise is of 33 years old. Okay. And mummy tortoise is of 150 years. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 150 out of 33. That we will get here 10 minus 3, that is 7. 4 minus 3, that is 1. And 1 we get as it is. So mummy tortoise, baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise, because they are asking how much younger baby tortoise than mummy tortoise. So our answer is 117. He is younger than mummy tortoise. Understood? Now come to next question, children. Arvind has read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? So children, let's see. 95 read by Arvind. Okay, we are denoting A. And 69, Gauri read, Arvind read 69 pages. Here we are denoting A. And 95 read by Gauri. Okay children. So 95 minus 69, what we are getting? 15 minus 9, that is, yes, that is 6. Okay. And because we have taken carry from 9 and now it is 8. So 8 minus 6 is 26. So children, our answer is Gauri has read 26 more pages than Arvind. Gauri has read 26 more pages than Arvind. Okay children. Now come to next. Reena noted, you have to do in book only these question. Okay, you are not need to do in fair notebook. These questions you will do in book only. Understood? You will put date on each and every page and you will write date and CW and you will do in the book only. Now come to third question. Reena noted the electricity meter reading of her house last month's reading was 118 units. This month reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? So children, can you tell? 193 minus 118, what we will get? This month, how much? That is 193 you will write here. Last month reading was 118. Above the line you will write. Okay. Now 193 minus 118. So 13 minus 88. We have taken 1. 13 minus 8. Yes. That is 5. Okay. 8 minus 1, that is 7. So she used 75 unit. Here you will write above the line, she used 75 unit of electricity. Means, because they are asking how much electricity she used in 1 month. Okay, so in 1 month she is using 75 unit of electricity, what we are getting from the previous month. Understood? I hope it is clear to you, children. Okay, now come to next. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125. Okay, she bought a shirt for rupees 125, trouser for 165. How much money did she spend all together? Now they are asking all together. All together means they want the total amount what she spent by bringing this shirt and trouser. So children, we will add in this. Now let's see. 5 and 5, 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood? And 2. So children, I hope it is clear to you. 290 we are getting. So above this line also you will write, she spent rupees 290 all together. Okay, because we have add this all together, then we are getting all together means उसने एक साथ कितना मनी स्पेंड करा ऑन शर्ट एंड ट्राउजर. Understood? That is your 290. Do in your book only and do complete your work. Understood, children? Now come to these questions. Solve the following. 17 minus 3, that is 15. Children, you will write in the box. Okay. 14 plus 3, that is 17. 39 minus 10, that is 29. Now 12 plus 24, that is 6. Now 86 minus 58, that is, you will take carry from it 1, that is 16 now, and this is 7. So 16 minus 8, that is 8. 7 minus 5, that is 2. So your answer is 28. Okay, children. Now next, 139 minus 110, that is 9. Here 2 and here 0. So that is your 29 we will get. Now add 237 plus 213, that is 7 and 3, 10. 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. And 2 and 2, 4. So your answer is 450. Now 325 minus 204, that is 121. That is 121. Now 474 minus 136, that is 14. We are taking carry. Here it is 6. 14 minus 6, what we will get? That is 8. Okay, children. And 7 minus 3, now it is 6. So what we are getting? 6 minus 3, that is 3. And 4 minus 1, that is 3. So your answer is 338. Now come to next. 642 minus 413, that is 12. It become 12. It become 3. So your answer is 229. 49 plus 20, that is 9 and 6. So 69. Now 135 plus 146, that is 1. Now 4 3 7 8 and 1 and 1 2. So 281. Understood? Now come to next. Check yourself. 236 minus 114 is 122. But when we are adding 122 to 114, that is 236. Now next, 340 minus 28, that is 312. And when we are want to add this, we want, so 312, and what we are subtracting, that is plus. So our answer would be same, that is 340. Okay children. Now come to next. I hope it is clear to you. This I will do one for you, then rest is your homework. Okay, you have to use addition. Now let's see how they are doing. One example they have done for you. Now we are coming to our second one. Like it is 468 minus 139. Okay, so we are getting 2 to 1. So when we are writing here 2 to 1, what answer we are getting? In first column you will write 2 to 1, then you will write 139. In this box you will write 2 to 1. Okay, then in second box where plus is written, you will write 139. Okay, what you are getting? Yes, you have to add. What you have to do? You have to add that sum. So because they are subtracting. Understood? So 9 and 1, that is 10. 3 4 5 6 and 2 and 1 3. So children, if you are going to see that when they are subtracting, okay, when they are subtracting, what we are getting, and when they are adding, what we are getting. Understood? So we have to add these two, then we are getting next with the same. Same with that, what they have done, they have subtracting. Like in this, what they are doing, they are adding this, they are adding this, and they are getting that. Okay, I hope it is clear. So same with you, you have to do this. What you have to do, you have to add this 139 plus 2 to 1. So you will get the above answer. Understood? For example, one more we can do, like 247 and 119, you will write here, you will add. Okay, 9 and 1 10 16. Okay, 6 and 4 1 5. Okay, that is 9 10 16 4 1 5 and 3. So your answer is 356. In this you are getting same answer. Now in this we have to see whether they have written right or wrong. So children, this is wrong. They have written, when we are subtracting 18 out of 9, okay, they have written 139, and what they have written, this is correct, okay, this answer is matching, but this answer is not matching with them because they have done subtraction wrong. So we are writing here like this, like you have written 139, you have to do correct, means 18 minus 9, that is 9, not 1 here. Now 5 minus 3, 2, so answer should be 229. That's why we are getting wrong answer. So now what we are going to do, we will write in one box 139, in second box we will write 229. So when we are adding this, 9 and 9, 18, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 6. Now here they are getting 4 minus 1, what they are getting? 4 minus 1 is 3. So our answer is, first you will write 139 in first box, then you will write in second box front of 3, 2, 9. Now 9 and 9, 18, 3, 4, 5, 6, now 468. Then our answer is matched, and then you will put correct. So 139 plus 329, second box, third your answer, automatically you will get 468, because we have to see whether they have written right or wrong. So this is wrong, but we have did correct, okay. Now next, same what they have done, 356 minus 247, what we will get? 16 minus 7, that is, yes, 16 minus 7 is 8 or 9? That is 7. Here they are getting 9, okay. Nine, okay. Now 9 is here. Now 4 minus 4, it is 4 now, not 5, because 1 they have given carry to 6. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So now what we have to do, you will do 247. First box you will write 247, next box you will write 109, and then you add, that is your 356. Then it is your correct answer matching. Otherwise we are doing this, so our answer is not matching, that will become automatically wrong. Understood? Now this is your homework, both I told you. Now this is your homework, and this 7th question we will continue in our next class. So children, till then you have to complete this, okay, all the work, this, all the pages what I told you, word problems also, and till here, till 6th question you will complete your work. Rest we will continue in our next class. So children, till then, thank you and bye.